Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order more items at a time with the eBay app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the eBay app and you just have to choose an item what you would like to. Add to cart, and you are just looking for something else. Let's say these earrings. Tap to add to cart. You choose something else too. Add to cart. And you can go to cart from here if you tap on go to cart, or you can go there on the top. You can see these items, the search item, the share item, and then the cart item. You tap on the cart, and if you scroll down here you will have your all items in total, with the shipping, the import charges, and the discounts. And you have your total. To tap to go to checkout, and here you can see you already added your address, your card, if you would like to donate to charity. And if you tap on confirm and pay, you already ordered these items. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.